Choosing the right blends of fresh, whole vegetables and fruits for juicing is a lot like writing a prescription. You can actually tailor your juicing ingredients to match certain health goals, whether it be boosting immunity or raising testosterone levels. The Energizer Swiss Chard-Spinach juice. This juice is very high in magnesium, a mineral which is massively contributing to energy production. As you increase your activity levels, your need for this essential mineral also increases. Magnesium is needed for about 300 different biochemical reactions in the body, including steadying heart rhythm, maintaining healthy bones, and boosting the immune system. On top of that, spinach and chard contain nitrates which help increase muscle concentration, force, and muscle strength. Ingredients: 5 to 6 Swiss chard leaves, 2 handfuls of spinach, 1 bunch basil, 1 green apple, 2 stalks celery, half fennel bulb, and 1 cucumber. Slice cucumber and celery into small pieces. Wash and peel the apple and cut up together with fennel. Wrap basil in charred leaves and feed it into your juicer first. Then follow with hard fruits and vegetables. Makes 2 serves. Drink before your next workout. Make sure to watch these videos. Please subscribe to ASAP Health and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.